What are the costs possibly that can surprise you throughout the construction? Number one, before you go to construction or pulling permits, understanding what are the difference and what are the costs for pulling permits, because in some of the cities and some of the areas you can just basically submit your plan in a very normal way. The other way is to expedite it. The expediting usually is double the price, but find out in the beginning, because sometimes it's better you pay the expediting fee and open your practice faster. That is going to save you a lot of time. That's number one. Number two is labor. If you know that in the building or the area that you're doing, you have your practice, or you're doing the renovation and construction, you have to do it night and weekends versus if you can do it during the day, the labor for construction is going to change tremendously. So understanding labor as far as like how it is and how you can save time and money is really important. Number three is material. Let's say the flooring, porcelain tile, maybe it's 20 to 30% sometimes is more expensive than laminate flooring. But when it comes to installation, I would say it's triple the price for porcelain tile, because the labor for porcelain tile installation is higher. Yes, it's gonna last you so much longer and it's a higher quality of flooring, which we usually highly recommend it, because flooring is the biggest area of your design and like impact your space so much, but you also want to understand and be comfortable going through that. That's why getting clarity in the beginning is going to help you to make a decision based on quality, not because of the forcing through it and then stress you out throughout the process. The whole point of getting clarity in the beginning, so you can have a really healing process, not going through the process with so much stress, because you already have to focus on your practice, running your practice, seeing patients, and anything you can do to eliminate a lot of these surprises is going to really help you to have a better outcome. Wishing you an amazing and healing journey ahead. I hope this helped you.